Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of earning money online and how you can start building your own income streams from the comfort of your home. The digital age has unlocked a vast landscape of opportunities, transforming hobbies and skills into profitable ventures. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income, replace it entirely, or simply explore new financial horizons, the internet offers a path for everyone. The key is to find the right fit for your skills, interests, and lifestyle. From creative pursuits to analytical tasks, the possibilities are more accessible than ever before. So grab a notepad, because we're about to explore some of the most effective and popular ways to make money online, helping you take that first step towards financial independence. One of the most direct ways to earn an income online is through freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com have created a global marketplace where skilled professionals can connect with clients in need of their services. Are you a talented writer, a skilled graphic designer, a proficient web developer, or a meticulous virtual assistant? If so, you can create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects immediately. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility. You can choose your projects, set your own hours, and work from anywhere in the world. It allows you to monetize the skills you already possess, offering a straightforward path to generating revenue. Success in freelancing often comes down to building a strong reputation through high-quality work and positive client reviews, which can lead to higher-paying opportunities and long-term relationships. If you have a passion for products, launching an e-commerce store could be your calling. The rise of platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy has made it incredibly simple to set up a professional-looking online shop, even with no prior coding knowledge. You can sell physical goods, whether they are handmade crafts, curated vintage items, or products sourced through dropshipping, which eliminates the need to manage your own inventory. Alternatively, you could sell digital products like ebooks, design templates, or software. E-commerce empowers you to build a brand, connect directly with your customers, and control your own business destiny. Marketing is crucial here. Leveraging social media, search engine optimization, SEO, and email marketing can help drive traffic to your store and convert visitors into loyal customers. For those who love creating and sharing, content creation offers a dynamic and rewarding path to online income. This can take many forms, from starting a blog about a niche topic you're passionate about, to creating engaging videos for a YouTube channel, or building a large following on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Monetization often comes through various streams, including advertising revenue, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products, and selling your own merchandise. While building an audience takes time and consistent effort, it can become a significant source of passive income. The key is to produce valuable, entertaining, or informative content that resonates with a specific audience, encouraging them to follow, subscribe, and engage with your work. Finally, if you possess specialized knowledge or expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses is an excellent way to monetize your wisdom. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Coursera allow you to package your skills into structured lessons, complete with videos, quizzes, and downloadable resources. Whether you're an expert in photography, a master of a programming language, a skilled musician, or a financial guru, there are people out there eager to learn from you. An online course can be a powerful asset, as you create it once and can sell it repeatedly to a global audience, generating passive income long after the initial work is done. It's a fantastic way to establish yourself as an authority in your field while helping others achieve their own goals. We hope this video has sparked some ideas and shown you that the possibilities for earning an income online are both diverse and attainable. Whether you choose to freelance, open an e-commerce store, become a content creator, or share your knowledge through online courses, your journey starts with a single step. The digital world is waiting for you to make your mark. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.